Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about bringing your inside floors to the outside. So I really love how they've done this patio area because they took the wood look tile outside to kind of create like a vision where it just keeps flowing from the inside. But this is a great way to keep your patio clean. You can just hose it off and it just creates like its own little space, and I really love the clean look. And so that's just an idea that you can do on your patio. I've also seen people do it where they've done like a fun printed tile like on your patio if you want something like extra, but this is real cute and clean and I love it, and it's easy to maintain because you just kind of hose it off and then voila, it's clean. So that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.